Origin: how is soap made? In this post, we'll talk about how to make soap at home without using caustic soda, which is difficult to handle, and without having to saponify fatty acids, a process that requires both experience and specific tools. A bit of history before we begin. Soap has been used since ancient times. It was already known to the Babylonians and Egyptians around 2800 BC. It's said that Gallic women discovered that washing clothes with ashes and fats had a cleaning effect. Over the centuries, as personal hygiene spread, the production of soap also evolved, although it remained a luxury item until the 20th century. Today, soap is part of our daily routine, thanks to industrial production that allows for mass manufacturing at low cost. The difference is that the original mixture of fats and ash has been replaced by surfactants, synthetic substances derived from petroleum. And now let's get hands-on. Ingredients: 250 grams per milliliter of Marseille soap, preferably unscented, 220 milliliters of distilled water, 11 milliliters of vegetable any kind, olive, seed, jojoba, almond, etc., as long as it's high quality, 5 to 6 drops of your favorite essential oil, natural colorants or spices to add a touch of color, optional. Tools: 1 wooden spoon, 2 saucepans of different sizes for double boiling, 1 large mold and or smaller molds. For the molds, you can use large wooden ones lined with parchment paper to help with removal. For big soap blocks you'll cut later, or small molds like those used for baking or making sand shapes. Avoid metal ones. Grease them lightly to make it easier to release the soap later. Instructions: grate or shred the Marseille soap into flakes and melt it in a double boiler. 2. Stir continuously with a wooden spoon. You can also use an immersion blender. 3. After a while, the soap will begin to thicken. Once it has a creamy texture, gradually add the distilled water, then the vegetable oil, the essential oil, and any colorants or spices. For coloring, you can use natural ingredients like saffron or curry, yellow, cinnamon, beige, cocoa powder, brown, paprika, pink. 4. When everything is well mixed and thick, pour the mixture into the molds and let it rest for 6 weeks. After that, your homemade soap is ready to use.